Morning, Bill here with the Metals Minute. Today's Monday, April 18th, 2022, tax deadline day. My wife is a tax accountant. I know she's going to be ready for today to be finished, but just a reminder, you'll need to have your extensions filed or get your taxes done by midnight tonight for the income tax deadline. But for those of us that are precious metals owners, it's been a good weekend, another weekend where all four of the metals are higher. In early morning trading, we had gold above $2,000 and silver above $26. And we have some things happening, unfortunately, that are not good, that are a part of the reason for that. So we like to see higher metals prices, but some of the other things we're not as excited about, such as thousands of sailing vessels sitting off the coast in China, unable to be loaded, unable to be unloaded, unable to be filled with new products that many times have already been purchased here in the United States. So we used to have, just a month or two ago, we had the issue of too many container ships off the coast of the ports in Los Angeles. And so we had issues of getting them unloaded, and there were supply disruptions from that. Now it's a deeper problem. We're going to see likely in the coming weeks supply disruptions because there are no ships, there are no containers full of product due to the draconian lockdowns in China. That it seems to be going beyond what the impact or the stated admitted impact of COVID is. Just very few deaths, but they've locked down around 300 million people across China. And so this is hampering supply chains worldwide, and we'll probably begin to see that here in the United States within 3 to 4 weeks. So take note of that. We also have the conflict in Russia and Ukraine leading to higher natural gas prices. We've seen that across Europe, record prices. Now it's beginning to impact the United States. Over the weekend, we saw natural gas go to the highest point since 2008 here in the United States. And so this is impacting fertilizer prices because that's an important component of our main fertilizer ingredients here and around the world. This is going to lead to challenges with food inventories of grains, and that's also used, most of the grain is used to feed livestock, so that will also impact meat prices. So both grains and meat. So just be aware of that, take note of that. But so we have a lot of inflationary pressures still impacting the metals. This is why it's important to own precious metals, because inflation, the official inflation rates touched 8.5% at the end of March. And I was just looking over the weekend at how has gold and silver responded to that this year. With 8.5% inflation, we have gold at 9.5% year to date and silver at 12%. So they're doing their job. And what that means is at some point in the future, when you need to buy whatever it is, it's important to have some of our savings in an asset that is keeping up or exceeding inflation. So we're able to protect our purchasing power, and that's what they are doing, is exactly that. So we'll keep you updated. There's more breaking developments, and we'll see you again on Wednesday. Thanks a lot for tuning in. Have a good day.